here we can see the studs in the cooler nails and heat loss along the bottom wall plate, and heat loss along the right side of the fireplace and up at the upper wall plates. And along the baseboard we can see heat loss, which spray foam can help prevent, and at the basement single pane window. And along here we can see the studs and the nails where they're cooler, some heat loss again at the lower wall plate and at exterior corners, and again at the bottom wall plate. And here we have heat loss at an exterior door, and here's heat loss along a baseboard and at our exterior receptacle. And here we have heat loss along the top plate and exterior corner